Good morning and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to Barrett-Jackson in Scottsdale. I'm Tyson Hughey from the Collector Car Network, and this week we're bringing you some particularly cool cars from the no reserve docket here in Scottsdale. One of which that really caught my eye was this stunning blue 2021 Porsche 911 Turbo S. So this car, like many Porsche enthusiasts will relate, is an eye-catching machine. Obviously the 911's been an iconic sort of favorite in the collector community for many, many decades. This one in particular is from the 992 generation. It has a wider body stance. It also has the suspension with the Porsche Active Stability Management System. And basically that boils down to a better handling car, the lowered stance that you see here, as well as a number of other driving enhancements. So this car, one of the things that caught my eye about it anyway from the paperwork or documentation was how highly optioned it is. This thing has over $61,000 worth of upgrades, and I'm going to read off the list to you in a second and just a few of those items. But power for the car comes from a 3.7 liter rear mounted, obviously, twin turbocharged flat six rated at 641 horsepower. So this thing has a lot of get up and go. Let's take a peek at the interior. So a couple of the options that were called out on the paperwork included the deviated stitching here. You can see the contrasting red with ivory leather seats, perforated obviously. Also the brushed aluminum inlays on the dash are a nice touch to bring it kind of a next level of elegance for an otherwise all-out sports car. Coming back toward the rear, a nice looking spoiler setup here with the full width tail lamp and obviously the dual exhaust outlets, which are commanding and very sporty. I do love the wide rear end of this car. Obviously the 992 series was known for some of those athletic stance characteristics. I talked a minute ago about some of the options on this car, so I'm just going to tell you a little bit about more that came in these packages. So we have the Matrix design headlights, clear tail lights, illuminated door sill guards, rear air side intakes, the heated GT steering wheel with carbon fiber, and a number of other things. So you start to recognize just how special this car is with its equipment, because with an equipment list like that, you're not bound to find anything else even similarly equipped. So with this car selling at no reserve, we're eager to see how the finished hammer price does on it, and I certainly wish I could take it home. So thanks for checking it out with me.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And remember to comment down below your thoughts. If you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at classiccars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website, Auto Hunter, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.